If you're over 45, here's something most people never tell you. Your gut controls way more than just digestion. It affects your energy, your weight, your mood, your immunity, and even how fast you age. And the good news? You can totally reset your gut in 2026 with a few simple steps that take almost no effort. Today, I'm going to show you an easy gut health reset designed specifically for adults over 45. So, why does gut health change so much after 45? Well, around midlife, your gut microbiome naturally starts to become less diverse. What does this mean for you? Slower digestion, more bloating, and more reactions to foods you used to eat without any problems. It can also mean lower immunity, more inflammation, and that stubborn body fat that just won't budge. But listen, this isn't something you just have to accept as a part of getting older. Your microbiome can be rebuilt, strengthened, and stabilized at any age. And these next steps are going to help you do exactly that. First up, step 1, add fermented foods to your diet every single day. Think of your gut like a garden. Fermented foods are like the seeds for all the good bacteria. Adding just 1 or 2 servings a day can start changing your gut diversity in as little as 2 weeks. Some great examples are Greek yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, kimchi, tempeh, miso, probiotic pickles, or a low-sugar kombucha. Why does this matter so much for adults over 45? Because as you age, your body becomes less efficient at producing its own digestive enzymes. Fermented foods help replace what your system is slowing down on. The result? Less bloating, better digestion, more energy, and a stronger immune system heading into the new year. Next, step 2 is to increase your fiber, but do it slowly. Fiber is what feeds all those good bacteria. It's their favorite food source. After 45, your body especially needs this to keep bowel movements regular, help control blood sugar, and lower inflammation. You'll want to focus on 2 types. First, soluble fiber, which is really gentle on the gut. Think oats, apples, chia seeds, beans, and lentils. Second, insoluble fiber, which keeps everything moving along. This includes whole grains, vegetables, berries, and nuts. Here's a key tip for anyone over 45. Increase your fiber gradually. Make sure you increase your water intake as you do it. If you jump in too fast, you might get some discomfort. So slow and steady is the way to go. Now for step 3. Reduce your stress for real gut repair. Your gut and your brain are talking to each other non-stop through something called the gut-brain axis. And chronic stress can literally shut down your digestion. When you're stressed, your body pushes blood away from your intestines, slows down gut movement, and increases inflammation. A simple daily routine for adults over 45 can make a huge difference. Try taking 5 deep breaths before each meal to activate your digestion. A 10-minute light walk after meals can reduce bloating. Try to limit news and social media before bed. And maybe add 5 minutes of meditation or quiet time or some gentle stretching to help loosen up your nervous system. This alone can reduce gas, bloating, and stomach tension by the next morning. Step 4 is all about hydration for gut motility. Water is one of the most underrated tools for a gut reset. As we get older, we naturally lose our sensitivity to thirst. This means by the time you actually feel thirsty, you're already dehydrated. And dehydration leads to a slower gut, constipation, and more bloating. So here are some simple hydration rules for 2026. Aim for 6 to 8 cups a day. Sip it throughout the day. Don't chug it all at once. If you sweat a lot or drink coffee, consider adding some electrolytes. A glass of warm water in the morning can help kickstart your digestion. And good news, herbal teas like ginger, peppermint, and chamomile totally count. Hydration is truly the difference between a sluggish gut and a smooth, consistent one. So let's put it all together. Here is your simple, over 45 gut reset plan for 2026. First, add 1 fermented food to your diet daily. Second, increase your fiber slowly. Third, use a daily stress reduction ritual. Fourth, stay hydrated throughout the day. It's just for simple steps. It only takes about 5 minutes to start, and you can have a gut that feels younger in just a few weeks. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips.